Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. How to log into your WhatsApp account on multiple devices. So guys, suppose I'm using this account here on this phone and I want to log in with the same number on this new device. So if I tap on agree and continue, I need to enter the phone number, but I will logged out from this device here if I logged in with the same number here. So how I can use the same number on both devices? So all you need to do is to tap on the three dots here on this device and then tap on link is companion. So it will create a QR code. So all I need to do is to go to the three lines here and tap on link a device and then tap on link a device. And here they need to make sure that it is me. So all I need to do is to scan this QR code on this phone. So once you scan it, it will try to log you in. And as you can see now on this device, it is logging in. It will take some time to load all the chats. But here, as you can see, they say that you are using the same account on here. So here, as you can see, now I can use the same account on both devices. So guys, this is all it takes to use WhatsApp on multiple devices. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.